Hello guys, this is Chef Deegee from the stables. We are doing lamb chops today. I wanted to do a little variation. Of course it's mashed potatoes, but in the lamb chop I've done my own little marination, did some twists. I think you'll like it. I love it.
For the marinade, let's take kasundi, Indian mustard, soy sauce, honey, salt and pepper, balsamic vinegar, red chili sauce, olive oil, chopped garlic. Mix this well and soak the lamb chops in this. What I absolutely love is our garden's fresh rosemary leaves.
This rosemary is not a native herb to India, but it has an outstanding flavor. Goes so well with potatoes, proteins, meat, and then you roast them, marinate them, and we grow them in the farm, and it's a beautiful herb, stays with us throughout the year, and we use this very liberally in our baked products, in our grilled products, and also for our mashed potatoes and some of our other potato dishes that we do. Very, very versatile, and I just love the flavor.
Chop some rosemary leaves and add them to the marination mixture and keep this refrigerated for about 3 hours. Take a grilling skillet and line up the chops on it. Pour some marinade and top it up with few rosemary sprigs as they go into the oven. I recommend we grill this for 25 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade, covered with silver foil for the first 25 minutes. And then for another 15 minutes without the foil. After 40 minutes of grilling, when you will pull the tray out, hear the sizzle guys and see the color. Let's plate this on a bed of creamy mashed potatoes. I'm absolutely amazed at the aroma and the fragrance this gives out again and again, and it's absolute favorite of mine. Pour some residual juice from the baking tray and a sprig of rosemary, which completely brings out the oomph in the dish. Can't wait to dig my teeth in this succulent, juicy, highly aromatic chops. Cheers guys, hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna love this one.